Hey guys, it's Dave of My Freedom Smokes. Today I'm here to show you a new COMBO RTA from iJOY. It's their new COMBO Squonk RDTA. Pretty cool little design. I've used the original COMBO RDTA, or RDTA. I always get those mixed up, I'm sorry. RDTA. It's where you have the actual coils at the top and the tank reservoir at the bottom. What sets this one apart though is this designed for squonking. The little pin that runs up from the 510 actually has two holes on the side, and you put on your favorite squonker, and you can actually fill it from the squonk bottle. Holds 4 mils of liquid. It's a 25 millimeter RDTA. The deck that's included is a postless deck. You can build single or dual coils on there, and then there's a common hole for your wicking to go through. That way if you do a single coil, you just kind of fluff your wicks out a little more and stick them down through those holes on the side. I haven't seen if they're doing different decks for it. I know it's one of the things that's been big about the combo is the other decks that are available, and I'm not entirely sure if the extra decks for your original combo will fit this. I don't have any of those on hand to try them out. But it's a really nice deck they have on there with that postless. They do include two nice little Clapton coils. They're reading out to 0.22 on here right now. You get these holes in the sides here, so where you actually adjust your grub screws from when you tighten down on that deck. The cap itself has adjustable airflow on both sides. There's 3 little slots, and you just can turn your cap around and close off the holes as you want. I've been running 2 out of 3 holes open on this. Comes with an Ultim 810 drip tip, just a little press fit drip tip. The O-rings are actually in the cap there, which is kind of common on most 810s. I've seen some 810s where the drip tip itself has the O-rings, but most of them, the O-rings are going to be in the top there. I'll show you some of the extras that come included, and then we'll show you how that thing squonks and vapes for you. You do get an extra glass tube. Get you a bag that has the Japanese cotton already kind of pre-cut for you. Some extra grub screws. They got a common pin, that way if you wanted to use this in something other than squonking, if you just want to use it as a regular RDTA. And then they give you extra O-rings. Alright, and there's also a little, it says flathead on the box, but it's actually a Phillips that they include in the back here for you. Pretty sure I saw it said flathead, which kind of made me laugh because it's not a flathead. Anyway, I want to show you how this thing squonks. You just press on the bottle, and like I said, the liquid actually just fills in that tank real nice. So as you squeeze it, you see your tank fill up. The squonking RDTA is kind of a nice concept. Basically just gives an extension to your RDTA or an extension to your squonk bottle, whichever way you want to look at it. The CAPO squonker here, this bottle holds 9 mils and then that holds 4. So basically you're adding 50% extra liquid capacity to your squonk bottle, or you're adding even more to your RDTA itself. Like I said, it's kind of either way you want to look at it. You're still getting a lot more liquid, and you can fill your bottle quicker and having to stop and fill up your bottle. Just do it with a squonk. If you're wanting to fill it like regularly, if you use that regular pin, you just want to move your wicks out of the way and fill your tank. Traditionally, they do have 2 little holes that kind of allows it to let the air come out, so it's not building up a vacuum as you're filling it that way. So now we'll go ahead and fire it up here. I'm running 85 watts on this. Make sure I got my airflow set just right. It's a nice flavorful vape coming off of it. The airflow, even with 2 open, is still pretty open. Once you close it down, it's a little restricted. So you might want to try go in between if you want to get a little less airflow, but not too restricted. So let me do it 1.5 slots open. That right there is a lot better for the flavor. Little still restrictive, especially for my taste. I like a lot of airflow. Just 2 open almost seemed like too much. Maybe I could bump the wattage up and get a little better fill out of it that way. But overall, it's a great little RDTA, especially if you're into squonking and you want an RDTA that's squonk capable. The Squonk RDTA or COMBO RDTA from iJOY is a good choice for you. These are available on our website. If you're looking to get one of these, please feel free to check them out. If you have any questions about the RDTA Squonk combo, please leave them in the comments below. As always, I'm Dave of My Freedom Smokes, and thank you for vaping.